Your swimmers are entered, your relay teams are ready, but the meet host still cannot receive anything until you export the entries correctly. Let me show you how to create the official meet entry zip file in HY-TEK Team Manager 8. And before you begin, kindly subscribe for fast HY-TEK Team Manager tutorial that saves coaches and admins immense time. You did your entry, so to export your entries, you go to File, then you select Export, then you select Meet Entries. This is the screen where most people confuse, especially when you want to change location where you want to store. So let me say, if you have a pen drive, you can just select from the drop down export to drive, then you select the drive letter of your pen drive. But now I'm using Windows and I want to store it on my desktop. I've created a folder. So how do? You click on C, then you scroll because desktop is hidden. So you go to users, then you select the default user, which is administrator. Then you go now to desktop or whichever location you want. Then for me, the folder's demo. Then I go to files. That's my directory. Then you make sure the meat you want to export is the one selected. It has selected this one, but I don't want that one. So you ensure also the meat selected the correct meat you are exporting. So you click demo meat. Then you say export relays and leave this unchecked. Then you just click OK. You see there is the entry file has been created. You just click OK again, then you close. So if I go to my folder, demo, then I go to files, you'll find this zip file. The first part of the zip file is the name of the team. Then after that, entries, then name of the meet, which is demo meet. So these are the two files which will email to your meet host. The proof of time file we created earlier, and then on top of that, you now attach a zip file and make sure your zip file is opening too, because it's with this zip file that he'll import your meet entries to the meet manager.